I had great chemistry with everybody here. I just felt so much better, more comfortable here.
We can't say enough about Dr. Godsey and his staff.
I only have one regret, and that regret is I didn't do it sooner.
Hi, I'm Dr. Godsey, founder of Lasting Smile Dental Implant Center. Throughout my 36-year career as a dentist, I attended many hours of courses, seminars, programs to ensure I can handle the most complicated dental problems.
Hi, I'm Dr. Emilio. I'm one of the surgeons here at Lasting Smile Dental Implant Center. I love working here because we have a great team. We have a great facility that can provide the patients with the most comfortable experience they can have, from IV sedation to the most impressive digital technology that we have here. We really truly transform the lives here. Very few places offer what we can offer here. Seeing the transformation that patients get, it's really one of the most gratifying things that I get to do in my profession.
Ever since I've gotten the implants, everything's been so much better. I've had actually a lot of people saying, oh, you've done something, and they really couldn't pinpoint exactly what it was until I gave a big smile, and they go, oh, that's what it is. But everybody else around me go, oh, you seem more confident now and a lot more joyful.
Once we found Dr. Godsey, we were very happy, very happy. He was friendly, he was concerned. The day after my first surgery, he called me on his personal cell phone to ask me how I was doing.
Staff has always been very friendly, and that's everybody, not just the receptionist or the billing clerk or the scheduling clerk. Everybody has been very, very good. It was a very positive experience. I'm absolutely happy that I did it.
At Lasting Smiles Implant Center, our philosophy is simple. Treat patients as we would want to be treated, like family. This approach guides us every day in delivering exceptional care. Visit our office and let us transform your lasting smile.